Hello everyone, welcome back to Charminliti channel. What do you want to do on hot sunny days? Personally, I just want to turn on the fan, enjoy a cup of yogurt and watch Netflix. Especially the movie In the Land starring 𝐸𝐵 and ゚𝐦𝐿𝐵𝐿 is a perfect way to beat the summer heat and satisfy my cravings. Okay, let's get started. To begin, let's launch the Adobe Fresco app. Choose square size. Select the image icon and click on Photo to choose a background image. Afterward, proceed to select a reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. Click on Light Brushes. Next, choose the Oil Pen Flat Brush. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. Choose the color white to use as the border color. Click on the button at the top right corner of the screen called Drawing Net and select Circle. Adjust the size of the circle and proceed to draw following the shape of the circular ruler. Continue the same process with a smaller circle inside. Click on the Drawing Net and select Ruler. I would like to provide some information about the USB rechargeable fan so that you can see how suitable it is for your family during these hot summer days. About the size, fan diameter 19 cm, height 31 cm. The fans operates quietly and have 3 wind speed settings, catering to the cooliness of every family member. The normal wind mode is particularly refreshing and comfortable. Adjust the sharpness of the reference image in the Layer Opacity section. Move the reference image outside. Use the Color Picker tool to select the desired color from the reference image. Navigate to Leaf Brushes, then proceed to select the Oil Pen Detail brush. Create the new layer. Modify the brush size according to your preference. Merge the layer together. Create the new layer. You can click on the layer and select duplicate layer to create 5 fan plates instead of manually drawing them multiple times. And adjust the position of the fan plates to the desired location. Instead of drawing each individual bars in the fan grill, we can simply draw one long bar and duplicate the layer to create multiple straight bars. This saves us a lot of time and effort, especially considering that there are over 100 bars in the grills. But if you continue to create each individual straight bar like this, it may not be an efficient way, so I suggest merging all the layers of this bar and then duplicating the groove. You can duplicate it about 5 times. And continue to align the position of each groove to make it more suitable. The KM-F0326 USB rechargeable fans is an effective solution during power outages. It will help to dissipate the hot and stuffy air during the summer season. The fans features 3-wind mode. It is designed compactly to fit small spaces, making it suitable for individuals working in offices far from the company air conditioning system, students studying and living at home. For families with young children, when a power outage occurs, the versatile mini rechargeable fans will provide a cool, natural, and gentle breeze. Merge the layers together. We also begin by selecting the reference image. Adjust the size of the image that needed. Open the Layer Properties panel and locate the Layer Opacity settings. Adjust the slider to a value of 50. Click on Light Brushes. Next, choose the Oil Paint Flat Brush. Adjust the brush size to your desired scale. Choose the color white to use as the border color. It's time to begin replicating the design based on the reference image. And let's continue discussing the unique features of the KM-F0326 fan that set it apart from other fans of the same type. The fan body and blades are made of durable and sturdy ABS bodies, ensuring safety for users. The fan case is designed tightly, making it safer for small children and easy to use. The fan case can be opened for cleaning the blades from dust. The fan can be tilted at a 55-degree angle. The USB charging cable can be connected to various devices. The rechargeable fans have 3 wind speed levels and can run continuously for 6 hours at a low speed without interruption, 5 hours at speed 2, 4 hours at speed 3, and 3 hours at the highest speed. USB charging cable included. The colors is white. The charging time is 4.5 hours. The battery capacity is 3,600 mAh. Ideal for use during power outages, outdoor activities, and places without electricity. Convenience USB charging port. The origin is China. Note, when using the USB rechargeable fan KM-F0326, when first purchasing the fans, it should be charged for 8 hours. For subsequent charges, it should be charged for 4 to 5 hours. Avoid charging for extended periods of time. The charging time should not exceed 24 hours. Keep the fan away from flammable materials. Do not use the fan while it's being charged. Approach it from the power source before use. If the rechargeable fans is not used for 2 to 3 months, discharge the battery completely and then recharge it fully. Only keep the switch in the off position when not in use. The USB rechargeable fan KM-F0326 has a compact design, occupying minimal space and can be easily placed on the desk or bedside. The KM-F0326 electric fan is a product that offers a reasonable price in line with its quality and feature. With a price range of approximately from 150,000 to 250,000 Vietnam dong, you can own an efficient and convenient fan for cooling your space. Also, prices may vary depending on the retailer and promotional events. The KM-F0326 electric fan is often regarded as a good value for the features and benefits it provides. If you are looking for a cost-effective electric fan that suits your purchase, the KM-F0326 fan is definitely worth considering. And we have successfully completed. If you also create beautiful drawings, don't forget to share them with me by commenting below. Remember to like and subscribe to the Charminliti channel and stay tuned for the next video.